Good morning. I'm here to talk to you about something extremely important. And it's 2 words. Vending machines.
Since the beginning of the high school age, an everlasting battle between student and vending machine has been raging. One student, one desire, and money repeatedly lost. It has now become a fight to the death.
So tell me, what experiences have you had with losing your money in the vending machine, Jimmy? So tell me, Megan, what kind of experiences have you had with the vending machines? As you can see, this is no joking matter. Vending machines, it's a fight to the death. This has been Gabby Sinaga coming at you live from Sky TV. Have a great day.